Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fall out New Vegas step by step. Start by choosing a clear playstyle and special focus before creating your character. Prioritize one or two skills like guns or speech to speed progression. Save often and use manual saves before major quests or choices. Explore early areas for useful gear and caps, and take side quests that strengthen your build and reputation quickly. Build a strong foundation by selecting a playstyle first, then assign special to match that plan with emphasis on key attributes. Choose two main skills to level consistently and pick perks that enhance them at appropriate levels. Consider traits that accelerate your chosen strengths while accepting manageable weaknesses. Early choices shape the entire run, so plan your first 10 levels to create momentum and reduce later respec headaches. Approach quests with a mix of stealth, VATS, and terrain advantage to minimize damage and conserve resources. Target quests that reward powerful weapons, companions, or unique perks early to boost effectiveness. Keep spare ammo, repair kits, and stimpaks stocked to avoid being stranded between settlements. When possible, talk before you shoot to unlock peaceful solutions or better rewards that can alter faction standings and long-term outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.